Hi and welcome back in today's video. Today we speak how to create a good YouTube thumbnail, and if you click it on this video, probably I have done a good job. So I can grab your attention to watch this video. Now my job is to keep you watching this video, and I will give you a lot of content. I have everything written here on how you can create good thumbnails for your channel so you can get more views, because now that I am seeing that I am posting every day, and the content, I think that it's pretty much good. I want to go to next level with my YouTube thumbnails, and it's really important because if you have bad YouTube thumbnails, you waste a lot of work. You can create amazing video, but if you have a bad and creepy thumbnail and nobody will click on it, you have pretty much wasted all the time and the effort and the work to create that video. But we don't lose any time and we go straight to the list. But before, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. First point is colors. Use some colors, but not too much. You can see that in my thumbnails I have pretty much from 2 to 5 different colors, and it also depends of the type of the video, because if you have a funny video you can add more colors, but if you have a business video or a little bit more serious video, you should use less colors and maybe a little bit on dark gray, something not too bright. The next point is the contrast. With the colors, you cannot have a white page and the yellow text, because nobody will read it. So it's really important that you have a good contrast between images and text, so this really grabs attention and stand out from the other thumbnails, because you should think that you are not the only thumbnail on the screen. The person that are on YouTube watch at the screen, and maybe he has 10 or 20 thumbnails that they choose to watch a video, and your goal is that they want to click on your video. And how you do that? With great colors, great thumbnails, and a really great contrast between image and colors. The next point is use the subject related to the video. For example, on this video I am speaking about YouTube thumbnail and how to get more views on YouTube, and on my thumbnail will be me, because I am the subject of the video, and a lot of images related to the YouTube thumbnail. So once you watch the image of the thumbnail, you already know what's the topic of the video. I can see a lot of people that create clickbait thumbnail. Maybe they put a beautiful girl in bikini on their thumbnail, and then once you open the video, you have a dude that is speaking about business or about cars, and this is nothing good, because okay, you can get a lot of click on that picture, on that thumbnail, but your video dislike will increase, and you will get a little bit time of watch view, because if I go on that video, I watch that it's a fake thumbnail, I watch it for 2 seconds and then I leave the page. So my advice to you is to create the thumbnail really related to the content of the video. The next point is to remember an important thing when you create all your thumbnails, and it is to think that a lot of people watch YouTube on phone and mobile devices. So maybe you create your thumbnail on Photoshop on your screen, full screen, that it's really big, but you should think that a lot of people see the thumbnail on YouTube really little or on their phone. So when you create a thumbnail, before to add the thumbnail to the video, you should really keep it the little possible that you can, and make sure that everything is readable, the content is visible, and you have a good contrast. The next point is use a face. because the face really engage more with people, and if you use a face in your thumbnail, people already know the person that they will watch. Maybe you are too shy to put your face in videos, or you have a channel where you don't show your face, so go on Google and search some royalty-free pictures of people that you can put in your thumbnails. So you will have a more click-through rate, because just think, if you see a thumbnail with a simple car or a person in the car, the person with the car, it's really engagement for the human mind, and also see the eyes, it's really good for your thumbnail, and it will have a lot more clicks. The next point is use different objects to create a little summary of your video. As I said before, if I'm speaking about fitness, I will put maybe a person, fitness, or myself, and some food, some healthy food, some maybe workout exercises, some gym equipment, something that is related to the topic of fitness and health. And you should do the same thing. Just for example, you have a makeup channel, you can create some object that is like a lipstick or something for your nails, so the person that go on your channel or see your video know exactly what your video and your channel is about. The next point is use text, but not too much. I try to use from 1 to 3 or 4 word text for every thumbnail. You should create a summary of the title if you're on your thumbnail. For example, if the title of the video is how to make money online, the thumbnail will be make money online. So the person that see the thumbnail quickly reads the title on the thumbnail, and then if they're interested, they read the title, or they go straight to watch your video. But it's really important to keep your words really short and big, because as I said before, if you watch your thumbnail on your phone, you should be able to read all the text in your images. The next point is invest or buy or find a software that helps you to create these images. For example, I have Photoshop. I create my thumbnails now with Photoshop. Before I was using canva.com, that it's like a mini Photoshop. It's really simple and it's free. You can start using canva.com to create some good thumbnails. If you put the time and you don't want to learn, you don't have the money, or for some reason you don't want to use Photoshop, you can simply using Canva. But with Photoshop you have a little more customization, and you can create a lot more things. And now that I am starting to create some thumbnails, I have like a model with my text and image, and then every time I create a new thumbnail, I change the image and the text and the composition with the background of the image. The next point is maybe I am a person that I don't have a lot of fantasies, so for me at the beginning it's really difficult to think a new thumbnail, a new object to add in my video. But the things that I have done is go on YouTube and just search for a keyword. Maybe if you're doing fitness video, you search for fitness or lose weight or gym motivation. And then once you find some video on the research, you try to scroll the homepage and see which one thumbnail grabs your attention, and identify the video that you will click on it. So once you have found maybe 5 or 10 videos, you should watch all the thumbnails and see what they have in common. So you start to emulate their thumbnail. Not to steal, but just to take ideas, take inspiration, maybe mix 2 or 3 thumbnails, so you have a good end results. And as I said before, the really important thing is to follow the content of the video. Post on the thumbnail the same thing that the people will find on the video, and don't create maybe amazing thumbnail with bad content, because it's worthless. You will have a lot of clicks, but your views will not increase. And I think that if your goal is to have success on YouTube, is not to have a lot of clicks, but is to have a lot of watch time and views. So this was everything for this video. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.